Beautiful up here, guys. Got some nice little hot springs right down there. Just took a quick bath in that. Let me tell you, beautiful. Really nice up here. Cody's down there and I was up here. Got cleaned up, getting this adventure started.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to part 2 of our epic journey to Idaho. Shout out to Forrest, Alec, and Justin for showing us around this awesome area. We just hit some hot springs, got a little cleaned up. We're headed up to Dollarhide Summit, then back down to Well Summit where we can see Forrest's entire town and where he grew up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, guys.
Come on, cows! Cow mule! Might be Prager's, reckon. They got plenty to eat, don't they? Leave a little cross in there. Yeah, tippity top where it snowed, Forrest said. They said there's a snowman up here still. Somebody built. I don't really know. Better ask. That left-hander about got me. Is this the highest we've been so far? Dollarhide Summit. Did you look to the left? Yeah. Oh man. Come on.
Look at me. Look at me.
Where are you at?
Turn right.
Oh, what?
It's cool.
That's awesome, man. Wow. They are. That one there's got a bridle on, don't it? I had to have been. Come here. Who turned y'all loose? They ain't happy, are they?
Hopefully they're headed the right direction. So you see why I call it sawtooth?
Yeah. It's just right there. Tick, 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 tick.
There? Yeah, I don't know which one is compared to Dollarhide. To be honest, this is my first time up here.
Really? All the way to the tippity top?
I came up, you know, off the bottom a little bit.
Oh, way over there? Yeah.
So, is the road washed out or what? All I know is there's snow drift across it somewhere. You might get through it on a bike. I don't know. Maybe those will look.
Was you tweaking on it up there? We thought about stopping, but we don't have any tools with us.
I run really low PSI when I'm on single track.
I got you.
So
I got you.
So 151.
Okay.
And then it branches into a bunch of, I think it's greenhorn.
Oh yeah, yeah. Those are all really nice. They're just like green fields with flowers and really high.
Yeah, and I think it's pretty like a.
It's easy. Yeah.
Yeah, I've even been on a mountain bike. But
Yeah.
long ago.
It's nice, man. Yeah.
So anyway, all right.
I watch old Mike Cole ride all those things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, enjoy your time here. It's the best riding anyway.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna turn and head north on what, Thursday, and just see how far these T-dubs will get us. What is that thing, Cody? It's quiet. KTM?
I don't like going downhill.
look to your left and you really won't like it. Beautiful, man.
You got the camera on?
Yeah, oh yeah. Forrest wants to stop down here where the view's real good and take a picture of all the bikes.
Okay.
He roll start it? Yeah, I think on that one you have to hold the decompression, get it going, pop the clutch, get it rolling, then let the decompression off and it'll crank.
Yeah.
'Cause that's my DR will drag the back tire in 6th gear.
Really?
Yeah, that's stupid. Idaho Cow Trail. Some cows. Oh, that was a little air. Definitely need boots on this one, don't we? Awesome. Heck yeah. We had to stop. Cody's cord got wrapped around his sprocket. We got in too big of a hurry. The bungees, you know. I was like, that might make a mess. We better stop. Alec McGrath. Yeah. 100% boy. climb that right there? Look at the picture. Does it? Look at this, man. Where at?
There.
Oh yeah. This is picture worthy right here, ain't it? Okay. I didn't have, I was struggling. I was first gear. I think it is too. You don't want too much of that, do we? Is it a snake? I thought, is it dead and dried up? I saw it. I thought it was a piece of cactus. Ooh, got a little loose. There's a loose spot there, ain't there? Now this will be a climb back out. That TW tire, oh, almost wiped out. Me and Forrest both did. It's ruddy, man. About had one of them get-offs. Boy, with stop gearing,
I ran out of power right here. There's no way. I barely made it to here.
man, them ruts are tricky. They try to swap you around, don't they?
I could have kept going, but it really doesn't go anywhere. And that rides through the woods a little bit, and then it's got a real steep spot.
That's fun, ain't it?
Just like that.
Yeah. Go ahead. No, he said it just goes right there and stops. I got it, baby. Yes, sir. It's that prairie. Now that's one thing this T-Dub's good is sticking to this side hill, you know, unless you got these shell rock. Well, could you imagine, man, back in the day, 1800s, when they rolled into that prairie, they're like, this is the spot right here. We can grow food, live, get away from the morons. Yep, me too. Me too, buddy. I did. That was fun, wasn't it? It had enough.
Yeah.
Well, I saw Alec. I was like, that thing, is that a piece of cactus? What is that? It's dried up, wasn't it? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it'll get you. Ooh. Ooh. It's weird when you going down on them, isn't it? I think you're unloading a lot of back tire. Ain't bad up here on the right.
Alright guys, if you stuck around this long, we really appreciate it. So on the next one is going to be one of the very highlights of our trip. Forrest agreed to show us his family's awesome mining claim up on the very tip top of some of the Sawtooth Mountains. You talk about pristine beauty, just an awesome place of our great nation. And man, we were so glad that he took us up and showed us around. And as you can see, the going got really rough. So stick around and find out and see if the 125, the CT125 and the T-Dubs make it to the top. And I'll guarantee you this is going to be a good one, and there's a couple of surprises waiting. Alright guys, appreciate you riding along. Take care. We'll catch you on the next one.